the business is called a debtor. A debtor, because he has received some benefit from the business, debtor constitute an asset or for the business. Debtor may be a trade debtor and a debtor on asset sold on credit, debtor for the service rendered to the credit. A trader debtor is a person who owes money to the business in the normal course of trade or business of the concern. The trader debtors includes debtors or sundry debtors for the goods sold on credit and bills receivable received from debtors to whom the goods were sold on credit. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ತನಗೆ ಹಣದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆಯೋ ಇತರರಿಂದ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಣಕ್ಕೆ ಋಣಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೋ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸಾಲಗಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಡೆಟಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಓಸ್ ಮನಿ ಟು ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ತನ್ನ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇತರರಿಂದ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಉದ್ದರಿ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಗದು ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆಯೋ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಂತೀವಿ, ಡೆಟಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್. What is creditor? Creditor is a person to whom the business owes money is called a creditor. Creditor is a person to whom the business owes money is called a creditor. The business owes money to him because he has given some benefit to the business. He has given some benefit to the business. A creditor constitute liability for the business. Creditor constitute the liability of the business. A creditor may be the trade creditor, second one is loan creditor, and a creditor for the asset purchased on credit, and expenses creditor. These are called the different categories. A creditor is a person to whom the business is called creditor. A creditor are persons, entities you have to paid by the enterprises an amount for providing the enterprises goods or services on credit. This is called creditor. Creditor is a person. What is creditor? What is creditor? Creditor is a person whom the business owes money is called creditor. Creditor is a person whom the business owes money is called a creditor. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೌಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇತರರಿಗೆ ಉದ್ದರಿಯ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾನೋ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಂತವಿ, ಸೌಕಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ whom the business owes the money is called creditor. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತರರಿಗೆ ಋಣಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾನೋ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವೆಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಸಾಹುಕಾರ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಟು ಹೂಮ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಓಸ್ ಮನಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್. ಈ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ shown on the balance sheet on the liability side of the in the balance sheet of the creditor. The creditor shows on the balance sheet there are two, one is liability, another one is asset. The balance sheets two parts, one is liability, another one is asset. The creditor shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. Debtor is shown on the debit side, and closing stock is also shown on the asset side of the balance sheet, because the creditors shown on the liability side and the debtors and closing stock will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Next, further we have to detail to understanding of the liability and the balance sheet. What is balance sheet? Balance sheet consists of two parts, one is liability and another one is asset. These are the terms of the accounting in basic terms in accounting. These are the, we have to, some questions will be given. What is accounting? Second one is define accounting. You have to write the notes. The following questions will be answered for your kind notice. Some questions will be given. What is accounting? Define accounting. Next, what are the objectives? Objectives of accounting. Who are the users of the users of accounting information. Accounting information. Next, give an example define revenue and expenditure. What is expenses? What is asset? Next, what is liability? Next, last one is what is capital? What is capital? These are questions will be given for kind your notice, and also you take notes. Next, this topic is over. Next topic will be continued next class.